Hi everyone, this is Printa Janalgedda from Team AHA. మళ్ళీ మూడోసారి మనతో ఉన్నారు ద టీమ్ ఆఫ్ అమరం అఖిలం ప్రేమ. కానీ ఈసారి మనతో కొత్త గెస్ట్స్ ఉన్నారు. టూ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇట్స్ అ స్పెషల్ డే ఫర్ దెమ్, ఎందుకంటే మనం సాంగ్ లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నాము. Yamini, who has sung the song that we are releasing today, Kalava. Hello. And Radhan, who has composed the song. I mean, he is the music director for Amaram Akhilam Prema. Welcome both of you, and congratulations. I got a chance to hear the song. Everybody will listen to it soon, and I hope everybody loves it as much as I did. But andarkante special to launch this song we have with us is Nidhi Agarwal. Hi Nidhi.
Oh, hi. Hi.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. I'm happy to see my Telugu friends after such a long time. Happy to see everyone.
So, Paata Vinnara Nidhi, you understand Telugu, right?
నాకు చాలా బాగా వస్తుంది, and it's a very very good song. Like the composition, the voice. I'm actually very happy I'm launching this song because నాకు ఇలాగా songs చాలా ఇష్టం, and I keep listening to them. Very soft, like the voice is beautiful. You know, Satya, Yamini.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, no, I was saying that I wish, you compose Arjun Reddy this type of background score for me also sometime in my life.
Sure.
But very good. The two newcomers, of course, they look so good, look so adorable and so likable that I'm 100% sure the song Chala Ba Pedda hit untundi.
Thank you so much.
Super.
Thank you.
So before going to the people who actually made and created the song, I want to understand from Jonathan Garu, asali song mood enti, like at what point does this song come? Because I was vintunte mottam song anta okay oka melody ga slow ga, it goes really calm ga. So what is the idea behind the song, and eppudu ostundi in the movie? What kind of an emotion does it convey?
Ee song and Akhila, when she is understanding the love, and when she is realizing that that there is something that she missed in the past, and then now she is knowing about it, what is true love. So then she is realizing about love anna daggara ostund annamata. When she is turning towards Amar, that is where she realized, that is where this situation, the song comes. So basically the love ni marla revisit cheyadam annamata tana life lo.
So Radhan Garu, tell us about the composition of this song, and how did you bring in Yamini to work on this? Why did you feel she was perfect for this song?
First thing, my favorite word in English is innocence. Okay, so that innocence is there in this character Akhila, and Jonathan created like that. So I need an innocent voice. So I searched 2-3 singers also in Tamil and on some other places also. కొత్త సింగర్స్ కావాలి అని జోనథన్ గారు ఒక పోస్టర్ చూపించారు, ఒక సమ్ సీన్స్ చూపించారు. అది చూసిన తర్వాత నాకు ఇదిలో చాలా ఇన్నసెన్స్ ఉంది, ఈ అమ్మాయికి ప్రేమ అంటే ఏమి అని కొత్తగా ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు, అది ఎందుకంటే నిజమైన ప్రేమ ఏంటి అని తెలిసినప్పుడు ఒక 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 ఫ్లవరిష్ మూమెంట్ ఉంటుంది కదా. సో ఆ వాయిస్ కొంచెం సాఫ్ట్, ఒక అమ్మాయి నార్మలీ గర్ల్స్ వోంట్ టాక్ దట్ మచ్ లౌడర్, దే వోంట్ బి లౌడర్ పీపుల్. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ద బాధ, పెయిన్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్సైడ్, ఆల్వేస్ దే విల్ కీప్ ఇన్సైడ్. ఓకే, లోపల పెట్టుకొని బయట చెప్పకుండా ఉన్న ఒక క్యారెక్టర్, దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అ క్యారెక్టర్ కి ఏదైనా ఒక నైస్ ఇన్నసెంట్ సోల్ఫుల్ వాయిస్ కావాలి అని నాకు 2 ఆప్షన్ ఇచ్చారు జోనథన్ గారు ఫైనలీ. దెన్ ఐ ఫెల్ట్ దిస్ వాయిస్ ఇస్ ఫైన్ అని నేను విన్నాను, చాలా సాంగ్స్ విన్నాను సత్య గారిది. విన్నప్పుడు నాకేదో స్ట్రైక్ అయింది, ఈ వాయిస్ కరెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది అని. బికాస్ వీ వోంట్ సెలెక్ట్ సింగర్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ, మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్స్ ఆర్ Jonathan won't select singers. Song will select.
Yeah, that's right. Perfect.
Song
That is
select
so
the
right.
singers actually.
Yeah, that's super.
Exactly. So we won't this singer decision ఏమీ అక్కడ లేదు. So song decide చేసింది. So it's all happened like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to know. Nidhi, I was asking you, what is it like, you heard the song. Is there something you want to tell either the, Satya Yamini or Radhan about what you thought of? You already said a little bit, but do you want to elaborate?
Absolutely. First of all, I'll start with Radhan. So, I mean, he is such a talented composer. And this tune, so it's like, it sounds like love, that initial stage when someone is falling in love, right? So, it sounds like that. It's a very, very beautiful track. And the voice is like
Yes.
cherry on the cake. Like, it's so perfect. Just suits the song completely, and it suits even the heroine Shiv Shakti's face, so I think
Yeah.
it's a combination, like you said, innocent, it sounds extremely innocent. She looks, it's
Correct.
beautiful. It's a beautiful song.
So I'm sure everybody would agree that ఏదైనా పాట కంపోజ్ చేస్తే the person who's in that song has to feel the song as well. So Nidhi, tell me one song that you have featured in that you absolutely love and wish, and would never let go of that song. Alanti paata edana unda?
Well, there are a lot of songs. I think there was one film, Mr. Majnu, that I did. It had some really good songs. So I think there was that song that Shreya Ghoshal sang, and it's a very slow, sad song, but I really like that. And talking about more energetic numbers, I think Dimag Kharab is something that people don't want to let go when they think of. So maybe that also. But personally, I'm a fan of romantic numbers, and I also sing in the shower. Not otherwise, I don't sound good.
Can you just name one song, Nidhi? Any?
From where, sir?
Any from anywhere of Hindi or Telugu?
Do you want her to name it or do you want her to sing it?
No, that's up to you. But I just wanted to know which is your favorite number. Which is something you always listen. You always wanted to listen.
So in Telugu, there is this one song called Undi Porare.
Wow, that is again from Radhan?
Yes. I think
superb composition. Yes.
It's amazing.
Thank
It's so
you.
I love this.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, amazing.
Amazing.
Your song. Wow. Genuinely, like.
Oh, you didn't know that.
But it's so we have all the talent right here. So yeah, Telugu definitely is a song that I really like.
So Yamini, Nidhi has refused to sing. But you have to sing for sure.
I can't. Please don't make me.
Yeah, so Nidhi has refused to sing, but Yamini is going to sing for us because
when you have her, please don't make me sing. Please sing. Yeah.
Definitely. Firstly, thank you so much, Radhan sir, for making me a part of this project. సో నాకు ఫస్ట్ ఈ పాట పాడడానికి పిలిచినప్పుడు హీ వాజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇది మాకు కొత్త టైప్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డింగ్ బికాజ్ మనం అందరం క్వారంటైన్ అయి ఉన్నాము లాక్డౌన్ సో ఐ వాజ్ రికార్డింగ్ హియర్ అండ్ రాధన్ సార్ వాజ్ కరెక్టింగ్ మీ ఫ్రమ్ చెన్నై సో ఒక డిఫికల్ట్ టాస్క్ యాక్చువల్లీ అంటే పక్కనుంటే ఈజీగా చెప్పేచ్చు బట్ ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ హీ యూస్ టు కాల్ మీ చిన్న చిన్న కరెక్షన్స్ హీ వాజ్ వెరీ పర్టికులర్ త్రూ అవుట్ ద సాంగ్ ఆయన ఎక్కడ చిన్న ఇది కూడా ప్లేస్ కూడా వదలకుండా ప్రతి ఇది కరెక్ట్ చేస్తూ అంటే ఫీల్ ఎలాంటి ఎమోషన్ రావాలి అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వర్డ్ నువ్వు ఎలా పాడితే ఆ క్యారెక్టర్ కి సెట్ అవుతుంది అని హీ వాజ్ వెరీ పర్టికులర్ సో మొత్తం ఆయన దగ్గరుండి పాడించారు ఈ పాట అండ్ నాకు వెన్ ఐ వాజ్ సింగింగ్ ఐ వాజ్ ఫీలింగ్ ఇట్ కంప్లీట్లీ అంటే ఆ బడ్డింగ్ లవ్ ఆ బడ్డింగ్ రొమాన్స్ ఏదైతే పాట కంప్లీట్ గా చెప్తుందో మనకి I was feeling it and I was enjoying myself. Chala soothing composition and I am lucky to sing this song for Radhan garu. Naku when I sang Mamatal Talli for Bahubali, I felt the same way. Ante naku chala ఓకే దిస్ ఆ క్యారెక్టర్ ఆ ఫీల్ ఎలా అయితే అనిపించిందో ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ కి పాడేటప్పుడు అండ్ ఈ పాట పాడేటప్పుడు కూడా ఐ ఫెల్ ద సేమ్. అంటే మనసుకి దగ్గరైన పాట ఈ పాట నాకు. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ రదన్ గారు ఫర్ గివింగ్ మీ దిస్ సాంగ్ అండ్
Wow.
I'm waiting to see it on screen and also listen to it. Yeah.
Right.
Even we are waiting to listen to it now as you sing.
Yeah.
ఇప్పుడు అంటే ఐఎమ్ నాట్ రివీలింగ్ ఇట్ నౌ, అంటే మీరు రిలీజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఐ విల్ సింగ్ ఇట్.
Okay, done. The video is upcoming, guys. Yamini is going to sing the song for us. So the people who are featured in the song, Shiv Shakti and Vijay, tell us about your experience of being a part of the song.
So I would say, you know how when you're in first time you are in love, you feel this butterfly in your stomach. You know, when you're listening to this song, you actually feel that way. And the scene, the song is also all about that. You know, she's feeling love and there's a lot of butterflies in her stomach. And Yamini, your voice is so soothing. Really, really nice. Really nice. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Vijay, over to you.
Yeah, when I was doing a song where I was behind Akila, the female lead, and I was following her, doing all the things, and when I had the same kind of attention from the girl, so it was nice to be in that space of feeling what I was doing to the female lead. It was amazing doing that song, and yes, as we said, Satya Yamini Gari voice, it's like really nice. I mean, it just gave the soul to the song. Yeah.
Add on this, this movie, both the people, Shakti and Vijay sir, both the people are, I'm doing background score now. Actually, on screen background score is running, actually. Copying is going on. So I'm seeing these people actually very good acting in this movie. Because I'm the first audience, no? I'm seeing background చేస్తున్నప్పుడు I'm just seeing this scenes and all. It's too good. Jonathan made this possible. Very nice movie. After Andal Rakshashi Arjun Reddy, I felt so happy in this movie.
Super brother.
This is my first movie, Laga. This is my Andal Rakshashi
So
Arjun.
just to add to that, the movie is releasing on 18th September, guys, on AHA. Please don't miss it. Download the app and watch it on the release date. Don't miss it. It's a beautiful love story, beautiful song. You listen to the first song now once Nidhi launches it soon after this session. Yeah. So Radan Garu, please carry on.
Yeah, this is my, I can say this is my second Andal Rakshashi. I already told this is my second Andal Rakshashi. This is first Amaram Akilam Prema. So thank you Nidhi and Shakti, Vijay, Jonathan, and everyone, AHA, and you, Pranita Garu. So everyone, thank you. This is somehow my recognition. This movie, after releasing this movie, Radan ante okay, Radan ఏదో బాగా చేస్తున్నారు, అట్లీస్ట్ ఏదో చేస్తున్నారు, మంచి సాంగ్స్ చేస్తున్నారు అని వస్తుంది.
Radan Garu, is this your first release in the lockdown?
Yes, ma'am.
How does it feel? How different does it feel to have a film?
Totally different. I'll become every day I'll become an online guy. Every day I'm watching, I'm giving recordings and all the musicians gathering. It's too tough for me because music, it's a gathering, no? This is a new experience. In this lockdown, this is my actually solace, this movie. Oh my God, my movie is preciously releasing through AHA and everything, no? This is a big encouragement for me and everyone too.
Yeah.
So Nidhi, you were saying that your film is also might be releasing on OTT. So how different does this experience feel? Like Radan Garu was just saying that it's the solace for him. So how does it feel? Like, you've been used to theatrical releases. This is a completely different experience. How does it feel to you?
Absolutely. I mean, it's I think right now it's the most practical move because, you don't want to keep the producers waiting. You don't want to create a loss in any way. And I think people will be very happy to on any platform. So I think it's nice to reach people now. I honestly feel like maybe more people will watch it because everyone is relatively more free. So I think the audience will be more. But yes, of course, seeing yourself on that big screen and that experience will be missed. but I think right now it's the best option.
Yeah, that's correct.
So, to sum it up, this song has been like a very special song, and the whole album is what I can say is that, I mean, for various reasons. One, lockdown lo vastundi, and it has a lot of emotion behind it, and the film in itself talks about love in general. So, Nidhi, before we wrap this session up and you release the song, I'll ask you a couple of questions.
Okay, ready?
So, love is in all its forms. So, which is your favorite kind of love?
Unconditional love.
So, what is the one thing that you love the most?
My work. I love it more now that I'm not getting to do it. Yeah.
So, if you had to choose between a life with movies and without movies, what would be the only thing in the life without movies that would entice you?
Nothing. I mean, I have wanted to be an actor since I was maybe 2 years old or 3 years old.
Wow.
So, only thing that has ever like just entertained me, and I'm kind of obsessed with movies, so nothing can replace that. Nothing. But music is something that comes very close. Music is healing, so it's amazing. Yeah.
So this movie, like I mentioned, chala different kind of love ni explore chestundi, like a couple kind of a love, oka father to love, oka grandmother to love. So that related questions nenu mimmalni adugutanu Nidhi. Your grandparents, like do you have a grandparent you're like really close to and you absolutely feel that connection with? Like, I have a favorite grandmother. I don't know if it's right to have it, but do you have anybody like that?
Yeah, actually, my grandparents live in Hyderabad. My mother's parents, they live in Hyderabad. And I have come to Hyderabad every summer holidays. I was born in Hyderabad because my mother is from there. So they live there and I'm always ready to meet them. Whenever I'm shooting, I go home and stay like for a day or two, because when you're at home, your diet, exercise, everything goes for a toss. So definitely my grandparents in Hyderabad. Yeah.
Okay, last question. I actually wanted to ask you about your favorite song and stuff, but at this point, but it happened. And so so you mentioned that, without realizing you were listening to a song which has been composed by, so it's a crazy coincidence. So tell me what you like about Undipurade, other than the fact that it's really beautiful. But what is it that you love about the song?
I think the song sounds like the rhyming words, and it's just like, you can dance to it. You can do some contemporary dance to it. And it's just like breeze. It's a very breezy, you feel happy after listening to it. You don't feel heavy.
Yeah.
But I also love yeah, I love both. Yes.
So Radhan Garu, tell us about the background score of this film. Like, what kind of background score will we get to hear in this one? How will it be? How different will it be from anything you have done before?
See, my enemy is Radhan. I always criticize him. So this is Arjun Reddy is done. Undipurade is done. Now what? Now what is your flavor next movie? I'm a very big critics on my music actually. నేను క్రిటిక్స్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటా. ఏంటి మంచిగా చేయట్లేరా, మీకు రాదా, అలాంటి నన్ను నేను తిడుతూనే ఉంటున్నా. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ appreciating myself little after I'm doing BGM, background score music. After Andal Rakshashi, I felt that very first movie is my Andal Rakshashi. So that flourish moment will be there, in every artist first movie. So at that moment you can't replicate. That is actually happening here after doing this background score. I'm feeling okay. నేను Andal Rakshashi చేస్తున్నట్టు ఉందే నాకు అంద, ఎందుకంటే it's not equal to Andal Rakshashi. It's a feel. That same feel is there actually. After listening this, kotta sounds untundi. New approach of background score is there, 100%.
Okay. So Nidhi, one last question, and then all of us will actually end this session because it's been quite long. Okay. So Akhila, Shiva Shakti plays Akhila in this film, and she shares a very special bond with her father. which is a core emotion of this film, other than the fact that she falls crazily in love with this person who is Akhil. So tell us about the kind of a bond that you share with your father.
Oh God, I mean, I don't think I can ever express it in words, but my father is like, like I'll give you a small example. Like my mother will, school days, she'll be like, okay, come, wake up. It's very late. How much do you want to sleep? Wake up. My dad, he will wake up 10 minutes before. He'll come sit next to me, put his hand on my head, be like, beta, get up. So I've been pampered by my father, and he's a very very simple man, and I don't know, I can never express it in words, but I always want to make them proud, and my dad always tells me that, always make sure that there are no rumors about you, like bad rumors. You have a clean image. He's always told me like marks are not important, you should be a good student. So he's taught me very different values. Like if I would study a lot, he would be like, don't study so much, you'll get a headache. It's okay, you sleep, you chill. So he's a very different kind of a dad, and I love my parents the most in this world. And right now I'm realizing, how important it is to maintain that bond.
Yeah. So, one more thing about, that we see in this story of Akhila and Amar is that Akhila really loves her father so much, and she would go all out to achieve his dreams. So is that something that you do? Like, do you feel like you should do things to make your father proud of you and stuff?
Absolutely. I mean, the first person you look at, when something nice is happening, when you're in an audio launch, or when Akhila for you, Shiv Shakti for you, when your film comes out, and all of you, you look at your parents' face, and when they are happy, you get of that happiness. So, of course, I think, we do try to somewhere fulfill our parents' wish.
We have in the scene also, it's very natural scenes like we see in our homes every day.
Yeah.
So that's what I was remembering when you were telling about your father.
Yes.
So the similar, like in the same father in Akhila has in the film, he also, he always says that when her mother says is trying to wake her up for the school, and he's trying to stop her not to wake her up because she's sleeping, don't shout, something like that. That will be the opening scene in the film.
So crazy.
Yeah.
Like looking forward to watching this film now.
Yeah, I think you should.
Definitely,
sure definitely love this. Yeah.
September 18th is the date. But you know what? Yamini, you should definitely sing at least one line from the song. People will be tempted to go and listen to the song for sure just because you are singing.
Yes, Yamini, I think you should. One line. Do you remember the lyrics?
Yeah, I actually don't have the lyrics with me right now, and fortunately I am at work now. Because as you all are saying, you're waiting to get back to work, but I am at work right now.
Great.
So I don't have my lyrics with me, but
so everybody, Yamini will definitely send us a video recording that we'll all share.
Definitely.
Sure.
Yes.
But for now, please don't miss Tappakunda song Vinandi. Beautiful song. Thank you, Radhan Garu, for such an amazing composition.
Thank you.
And the rest of the team.
For Nidhi Garu and Radhan Garu, I will just sing 2 lines of Undi Porade, because that is one of my very very favorite songs too.
Wow, super.
Undi Porade, Gunde Nidene, Hattu Korade, Gunde Nidene. Ayyo పాదం నేలపై తాకుతున్నదే, అందం అమ్మాయి అయితే నీలా ఉందా అన్నట్టుందే, మోమాటాలే వద్దన్నాయే అడగాలంటే కౌగిలే. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Super.
So thanks everyone. Thanks for joining us. Nidhi, it was really nice having you. Such a great conversation.
Wishing the team.
Yes, Nidhi, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you.
All the best and wishing.
Thank you so much. Yeah.